When turning right, you must give way to all trams and other road users. Before pulling into the tram lane, look to the left and right of the road to determine whether there are any approaching trams or other vehicles. In the VicRoads driving exam, moving into the path of an oncoming tram is an immediate termination fault. Before entering the roundabout, you must give way to any vehicles already in the roundabout. If you fail to slow down and stopped at a dangerous position that intrudes into the path of an oncoming traffic, you can still be found at fault for not approaching safely and preparing to give way. The vehicle on the left R stops over the stop line, so a critical error, incomplete stop, is recorded. The vehicle on the right M blocks the marked foot crossing, causing pedestrians to take evasive action, so an immediate termination error, stop at dangerous position, is recorded.